Hey there guys, I'm back again, and today it is time to unbox the brand new Lookfantastic box. Before we get started with the unboxing, there are a couple of things I need to mention. Number one, I'm just going to show it because it's going to show on camera. It's so hot in Holland, so I'm wearing like this dress. It looks like a freaking wedding dress, but it's not, I promise. But because it's so hot, I have to wear it, and I don't have sleeves, and y'all are gonna see. I will talk about this in a video. I just don't know when. I need time. I really don't feel like talking about it, but I know I'm gonna get questions, and I don't, want people thinking something else. Something horrible's happened to me the last couple of weeks, actually months. Long story short, I had an operation. That's why I'm bruised so much. Like, you can see my hand, and then you can see my hands are, see, completely bruised. It was quite serious, but I'll talk about that just another time. I need time, okay? Wasn't a pleasant experience, and I hope I never have to experience that again. But those are the reasons, like, I have so many bruises on my body. My legs are covered in bruises as well. It's from surgery, major surgery that I had to have done. It's not, I haven't been beaten up or whatever. I don't want you guys thinking the wrong thing, I guess. Okay, and now the other thing before we get started with the unboxing is I want to kindly remind y'all to enter my giveaway. When we reach 600 subscribers, I'm going to give away a satchel filled with makeup, and a brand new giveaway will start immediately afterwards. And we're so close, and you guys can help me out with that by subscribing to my channel and making sure that all of your friends and family subscribe as well. The sooner we reach 600 subscribers, the sooner I'm going to give away that satchel. It is international, boy, girl, so make sure to check out my giveaway video. I'll always host giveaways on my channel because I feel like that's a way for me to give back to you guys, because you guys take time out to watch my videos, and I feel this way I can give back to you. So make sure to check out my video. It's one of my older videos. I was honestly too lazy and just, like I said, too busy with life to put down the link, but you could watch it, one of my older videos. It will say in the title giveaway, and it will say immediately whether it's open or closed. So make sure to check out this video. And now let's move on to this video, and let's start unboxing. Okay, so we got the... Something is sticking out of this box. Okay, so we got the new Lookfantastic box. Let's open up the cap. Be kind to the planet, and it will be kind to you. Okay, so I'm gonna assume that this box has something to do, also given the basic lack of, I should say, color, because these colors are pretty earthly colors. I'm going to assume they're like either clean products in here or products that think of the environment. I'm not really sure. I again have no freaking booklet. It's so annoying. Guys, this is, it won't open. This is the inside of this month's box. Okay, let's just grab the biggest thing first, which is Gentle Facial Buffer. Yeah, see, it's like this Tree Nation, cruelty-free, think of the environment kind of thing. That's what I figured this box was going to be. This is what it looks like, and I have no booklet, which means I, again, have no idea what the price of the items is. Gently exfoliate your skin with this natural facial buffer made using natural cotton and flax. This little fella, I have no idea what the worth is. Look it up online if you're really that interested. Lazy YouTuber. But what I'm going to do is, I already have like this automatic face brush that I use, so I'm going to pass this along to one of you guys in a giveaway. So make sure to check out the giveaway, like I said. Okay, moving on. Oh my god, it just fell on my carpet. I'm sorry. Oh, thank goodness it fell like this. All is good. Okay, now let's move on to rituals. The Ritual of Ying mild body scrub, and it's got like the worm residue in here. This is what it looks like. It looks, don't hit me with a rock, but usually like these darker colored ritual things are usually for men. I'm not really sure if this is the case. Usually they are. Let me just check. because then it's not for me. Oh, no, it actually smells really clean and really nice. So that is pretty awesome. I love me a good Rituals product. So let's move on to L'Oreal hand sanitizer gel. What? Okay. Yeah. Purifies hands without drying out and no rinse off. Okay, let's give it a try. I'm actually wearing a ring, Swarovski ring, so I'm not really sure if this is smart what I'm doing right now, but I mean, come on. It's not coming out of here. Come on. There we go. I'm not going to put on too much. Like a basic freaking hand sanitizer. I'm not really noticing a difference. I'm not going to do it over the ring because I'm always afraid my rings will, you know, I'm ruining them, even though they kind of go over this spot. Doesn't stick. Some hand sanitizers really stink. Have y'all noticed, like during this pandemic, whenever you go somewhere, you need to, you know, pump up and you need to sanitize your hands, but sometimes those hand sanitizers stink, especially in stores. Like, I don't know what they put in. That is not hand sanitizer. I can tell you, it stinks. So I'm really glad we received this one, and this is actually pretty small, so it's great for, you know, thumping up in your bag. I understand why they put this in here. It's just a little bit of a weird item, but I kind of like it as well. However, since it is L'Oreal, I'm sure they are asking a redonkulous amount for this. This is 125 milliliters. I'm pretty sure L'Oreal is asking a lot for this amount. And I'm not going to give it to him. Like, I'm going to be honest, I love getting it like this, but I'm not going to pay $5 to $10 for freaking hand sanitizer of 99 cents worth. You know what I mean? You know, not to be shady, but just saying the truth. Okay, Philip Kingsley Styling Finishing Touch Polishing Serum for your hair. How do you use this? I don't have a booklet, so I have no idea how to use this. I'll look it up online. This is what it looks like, and clearly it is not a full size, but it is very small, which means it is a sample size, but pretty cool. It's in here. We got a lot of items in here because we're still left with 1, 2, 3 items, and we already had 1, 2, 3, 4 items, but these are all smaller. These are all pretty much sample sizes. This is from Balance Me. It's the pre and probiotic cleansing milk. Again, a little sample size, but I'm actually quite happy to receive sample sizes sometimes, not all of the time, sometimes, because of travel purposes. So when I travel, I don't like to use my expensive full-size items because unfortunately in Tunis, when I was there, most of my makeup got stolen. A brand new freaking dress I got specially for there, and I only wore once, got stolen out of my closed suitcase. And I know that the cleaning lady did it. She was looking me up and down, and she was cleaning at times when she wasn't even supposed to be there, and the entire hotel was covering it up, so you won't be seeing me back in Tunis. I'm sorry. Anyway, that's kind of harsh, judging an entire country just based on that thing, but I do know that it is a common thing throughout the country, so I don't like that. I'm sorry. Anyway, I do really enjoy using these kind of items with me when I travel, so that when it gets stolen or ruined or smashed or even lost, I won't be crying out for it because it's just a sample size. It's not the full size. The full size, the expensive things are at home. Okay, moving on to Espa. This is 24-hour replenishing eye moisturizer. Again, a very, very small. I think this is 10. Wow, it's even less. It's 7 milliliters, so it's really small. But usually eye creams are, you know, they tend to be very, very small. So this is what that sucker looks like, and it was supposed to be 24-hour replenishing eye moisturizer. Again, great for travel purposes. So I'm definitely going to take that along. And now moving on to the very last item, and the box is placed on the floor. It's empty. Simplify your life with multi-use skincare, 100% natural ingredients. What is this? Lanolin oil, elderberry, I can't even read it, elderberry, preservative, cornstarch, red radish pigment, flavor, and fragrance free. What is it? Oh my god, I was reading the back, the idiot that I am. This is from Dr. Lip. It's tint. It's 100% natural. So it's superfood red radish pigment. This is what it looks like, and as much as I'm tempted to open it up to see what it looks like, I have to place some on my hand, and when it's a tint, it's usually very hard getting off, and I need to leave the house, and I'm already people are already looking at me like, what the hell, did your husband beat you up? Even though I don't have a husband, but that's unfortunately what they think. So I'm kind of not gonna do that today. Okay guys, that is it for this month's box. Actually, I really enjoyed it. So we got four like small items, three full-size items, one item I'm gonna give away to one of you in a giveaway, in a future giveaway. I enjoyed it. I enjoyed this box. It's a lot of products, even though 4 of them were like sample sizes. Again, travel purposes, it's amazing. I'd like to thank y'all so much for watching. Let me know in the comment section down below, what do you guys think about this month's box? Don't forget to enter my giveaway, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye!